Welcome to another episode of Papa Bear's Pepper, and I'm Harold. Today we're going to talk about two things. One is thermostat heat mat controllers, and then we're going to get into, yes, that's right, the results of our second pepper seed giveaway. Okay, so starting this off, we had a conversation over at Pure Peppers, Jonathan Barlock, myself, and one of our members about our thermostat controllers. Now, I want to recommend highly that you think about using, whether it's this Vivosun thermostat heat mat controller or whatever type of controller you have, but make sure that you do get a good one. I've been having really good results with this one, and it's been controlling the temperatures on my heat mat between 80 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the one thing that we were getting into and is, where do we put the probe? Okay, well, on this particular one, the probe is water resistant or moisture resistant, and it has either a dielectric silicone or an epoxy that is inserted into the probe's tube to protect it from moisture and water condensation, whatever, what have you, that would cause damage to that probe. Now, apparently they're not all the same in that some don't have that protection. So this is what I want to stress to everybody out there, is read the manufacturer's suggestions on how to use their product. You can't assume that this Vivosun is going to be the same as another probe out there that may not have that waterproof protection on the probe. Now, one thing that I do think that would go across the boards is the controller portion of that is not waterproof. You want to keep that out and away from the moisture so that you don't get that condensation inside, which could cause it to either be inaccurate, short out, or just completely fail altogether. However, either way, I recommend highly that you do put one of these heat mat thermostat controllers on your heat mat, because heat mats can, and they do, run up temperatures close to, they can go up as high as 120 degrees Fahrenheit. I know that because my 4-tray heat mat over here was reaching temperatures of 115 plus degrees Fahrenheit at the mat. Now, fortunately, I had 3 layers of cardboard on there to help it some, as well as there's that barrier, that buffer zone between your heat mat and the tray, or your seedling cells in your tray. Nevertheless, my temperatures were getting at about mid-90s inside of the trays. Now, I've pushed seeds up to 100 degrees and been okay, but you start getting over that, and you stand a very good chance of cooking your seeds, and then you're not going to have anything to grow at all. So make sure, and I'm highly recommending, now on a smaller mat I've used a piece of cardboard, but I'd highly recommend that you spend the extra between $13 and $25 and get a heat mat thermostat to protect your seedlings, protect your crop. Because once they go, they're done. But those heat mats are highly effective if they're used properly. Now, you can get some heat mats that have built-in heat mat thermostats, and that's your option if you decide to do that. At any rate, control the temperatures. Now, one thing that Jonathan and I agree on is that we like to run our temperatures between 80 and 85. Right in that ballpark. 78 to 85 is a good temperature, and your seeds will do well. That will help maximize the opportunity you have to get your seeds to germinate and generate your seedlings that you're looking forward to so much. Because I don't know about you, but I'll sit there and look at my seed trays once every hour to see if a new one came up. It happens when you're in this phase of your pepper growing that you want to see what's going to come up. It's like Christmas. But anyway, so that's that topic, and now let's move on to what you guys are probably here to listen to, and that's our winners. Now, coming in first, the number was chosen by Jim Morrow, Jimmy Pickles, Product Line LLC, and that number was 77. Now, JPS 121, he picked it right on the money. So congratulations out there, JPS 121. I already have your address, and I'm going to be forwarding that to Jim Morrow for getting your seeds out. And second was Stay Green and Grow On with the number 78. That was very close. And another great guess. Stay Green and Grow On. You're our second place winner, and congratulations, you're going to be getting seeds as well from Jim Morrow. And coming in third at the number 83 is Jesse and Amanda Frazier. I'm going to be sending you some of my seeds out to you as a third place position, just to show you, we're trying to get everybody growing out there. And it's fun because I'm getting a lot of these vendors, a lot of these growers, hey, I want to donate seeds, and let's get some free seeds out there, folks. And that's helping out everybody. I tell you, you can get some free seeds and grow some quality seeds. That's awesome. Oh, and by the way, I should point this out, JPS 121. Like I stated in the giveaway rules, if you got the number right on the money, you get free Super Blend powder from me. So you get the bonus on this one, and I'm going to be sending you some of my Super Blend powder to try out. I've been putting that in my plungers for years. I love it, and it's hot, but it's good. So you guys give that a shot out there, and if you ever do want one of those plungers, get a hold of me. I've got plenty for you, and you can get with me on those. At any rate, hey, this is Harold with Papa Bear's Peppers, and I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. Stand by out there and get ready for the next one. There's another one coming, I believe. All right. Remember, down below, subscribe, mash that button down there, like it, and y'all keep growing. Have a great day.